Chapter 1 Poem A Photograph by Shirley Tolson. Summary and question answers. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hands, and she, the big girl, some 12 years or so. All three stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with the camera. A sweet face, my mother's, that was before I was born, and the sea, which appears to have changed less, washed their terribly transient feet. Some 20, 30 years later, she'd laugh at the snapshot, see Betty and Dolly, she'd say, and look how they dressed us for the beach. The sea holiday was her past, mine is her laughter, both wry with the labored ease of loss. Now she's been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived, and of this circumstance there is nothing to say at all. Its silence silences. Summary. The poem, A Photograph by Shirley Tolson, reflects on the passage of time and the sense of loss that comes with it. कविता एक फोटोग्राफ शर्ली टोल्सन द्वारा समय के बीतने और उसके साथ आने वाले नुकसान की भावना पर आधारित है. द स्पीकर लुक्स एट एन ओल्ड फोटोग्राफ ऑफ हर मदर एज अ यंग गर्ल पेडलिंग एट द बीच विद हर टू कजन्स स्माइलिंग इनोसेंटली एट द कैमरा. कवि एक पुरानी तस्वीर देखती है जिसमें उसकी माँ उसकी दो चचेरी बहनों के साथ समुद्र तट पर खड़ी है, मासूमियत से कैमरे की तरफ मुस्कुराते हुए. The sea, which remains constant, contrasts with the fleeting nature of human life, symbolized by the terribly transient feet of the girls. समुद्र, जो स्थिर और अपरिवर्तित है, मानव जीवन की फ्लीटिंग नेचर को दर्शाता है, जिसे कवि दुखद रूप से क्षणिक पैर कहकर व्यक्त करती है. Years later, the speaker's mother would laugh at the picture, reminiscing about her childhood. कई साल बाद कवि की माँ इस तस्वीर को देखकर हंसती थी, अपने बचपन की यादों को ताज़ा करती थी. द फोटोग्राफ इवोक्स बिटर स्वीट मेमोरीज फॉर द स्पीकर एज हर मदर हैज़ नाउ पास्ड अवे. यह फोटो कवि के लिए मधुर दुखद यादें जगाती है, क्योंकि अब उसकी माँ इस दुनिया में नहीं है. द पोएम emphasizes द inevitability of loss and how time renders both joy and grief into silence. कवि समय की अपरिहार्य प्रकृति और यह कैसे खुशी और दुख दोनों को मौन में बदल देता है को उजागर करती है. द फाइनल लाइन्स अंडरस्कोर द डीप इनएक्सप्रेसिबल सॉरो डेट अकम्पनीज डेथ एंड द वॉइड इट लीव्स बिहाइंड. अंतिम पंक्तियां मृत्यु के बाद आने वाले गहरे अव्यक्त शोक और उसके द्वारा छोड़े गए खालीपन की ओर इशारा करती है. इन्फर द मीनिंग्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द कॉन्टेक्स्ट. पेडलिंग, transient. Now look up the dictionary to see if your inference is right. Answer. Paddling is rowing a boat or walking in shallow water. Transient refers to temporary. Dictionary meaning. Paddling is standing or walking in shallow water with bare feet. Paddling also means rowing a boat. Paddling is swimming with short movements of feet or hands up and down. Transient is staying in a place for a short period of time. Think it out. Question 1. What does the word cardboard denote in the poem? Why has this word been used? Answer. In the poem, the word cardboard indicates the photograph which is glued on a paper that is hard and thick. It has been used to describe the old practices when the photographs were glued on cardboard and framed with glass in front in order to preserve them. Question 2. What has the camera captured? Answer. The camera has captured three girls, the mother of the poet and her two cousins, Dolly and Betty, in their swimming dress on either side of the poet's mother holding her hands and walking with feet in sea water. Question 3. What has not changed over the years? Does this suggest something to you? Answer. Over the years, the sea has not changed. Its waves are tireless, shining and fresh as they were in the old days. The changes that occur in a human face with growing age is reminded by the changelessness of the sea. Question 4. The poet's mother laughed at the snapshot. What did this laugh indicate? Answer. This laugh indicates her joy at remembering the incident that connected with her past life, when she was young and free from worries and tensions of life. Question 5. What is the meaning of the line, both bribe with the labored ease of loss? Answer. The poet's mother's laughter and the sea holiday are the incidents from the past. A sense of loss is connected with them. Both are amusing and disappointing, as a relaxed or comfortable feeling is a forced one or unnatural. This sense of loss is painful to bear. Also, the phrase labored is an oxymoron because it joins together two opposite ideas to make a meaningful idea. Here, the sense of loss. Question 6. What does this circumstance refer to? Answer. This circumstance refers to the death of the poet's mother. Question 7. The three stanzas depict three different phases. What are they? Answer. First, girlhood of the poet's mother, the phase before the poet's birth. Second, middle age, the phase during the poet's childhood. Third, death, the phase after the death of the poet's mother. Friends, we have completed all the NCERT questions here. Now let's do some important questions from this poem. Question 1. What impression do you form about the poet's mother? Answer. Poet's mother was like any other woman who loves her past. She had spent some memorable happy moments with her cousins on a vacation. She liked that trip a lot and those memories always made her happy whenever she saw picture of that trip. She seems to be an emotional lady who loves her family very much, who had a special attachment to her family. Question 2. What has the poet written about the sea in this poem? Answer. The poet writes that her mother had travelled here decades ago when she was just 12 years old. Today it has been 12 years since she passed away. Even after such a long time, what has not changed is the ocean. Everything is the same here. The fresh wave of the ocean gives joy to the mind and soul. What has changed is the human being who is mortal. Question 3. Why does the poet feel nostalgic? Answer. The reason for the poet's sadness is only one, and that is the absence of her mother in the world today. Today, when she has grown up and can take more detail from her mother about the pleasant experiences of her life, but today her mother is not alive. Today only, that photo of her is available in which she is looking very cute with her cousins. Memories of her late mother are making poet feel nostalgic. Friends, we have completed these question answers and also some important questions from this poem. If you like the video, kindly share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.